The boat that's right behind you is a Pursuit ST310. It is a big beast.
So you can do straight down dives.
The roominess of these boats, they're very well thought out.
Check this out! This is called Flyboard. Hey guys, Eric Kyle here, publisher Great Lakes Scuttlebutt Magazine, and I'm excited to be down at the Chicago In-Water Boat Show right here at the beautiful 31st Street Harbor. Having a wonderful time. It's a great show. If you get an opportunity, make sure you come down. While I'm wandering around, I'm looking for some good things to report on, and I ran across our friend Craig over at Center Point Yacht Services. Yes. How are you, Craig?
Great.
Good.
How are you doing?
Good, good. Some pretty good news here about Monte Carlo. Tell us about it.
Yeah, the MC5 is a brand new model for them that just came out. This is the second boat actually to come into North America, and the first boat into the Great Lakes. We got it about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And I'd say Monte Carlo Yachts is the premium brand of Beneteau, which is the biggest boat builder in the world.
Right.
And this is their, first step into the 50-foot range. All their larger boats, in the 65 up to 86-foot size is what they currently build.
Okay. Now this boat, Monte Carlo, it's imported in here to the U.S. by Beneteau, and you guys are pretty much the dealers for the whole Great Lakes area for this area?
Yes,
for this boat?
We're the Great Lakes dealer for the Beneteau powerboat products, which includes Monte Carlo MC5, the Beneteau Gran Turismo express boats, and also the Swift trawlers, and then Barracuda. Fishing boats.
Yeah. They got a great product lineup over there. Now tell us about Centerpoint. Where are you guys located at?
We have 3 locations. In Milwaukee is our headquarters, also Kenosha, Wisconsin, and then Sturgeon Bay. We have a marina and a boat yard up there. We recently just purchased the old Palmer Johnson yachts.
Yeah, up right on the river in Sturgeon Bay, right?
Correct, yep.
Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so this boat, the appointments on this, pretty incredible, Craig. Tell us about some of the details that went into this.
Well, they're using the same appointments, the fit and finish that they use on the larger Monte Carlos, up to 86 feet. So you'll see, leather, hard door hardware. It's got a brushed oak, wood, which is, you don't see that on any yachts around here. Typically, we're seeing, teak or mahogany or cherry or maple. So it's got a brushed oak, finish. A full, complete windshield that's without any brakes up front.
Okay.
So a lot of natural light brought into the boat.
Nice. It's absolutely gorgeous inside. We'll take a couple of pictures as well.
Sure.
Tell us about the ride. How was the ride coming down?
Yeah, well, the ride was great. I mean, this boat's been through some rough water. The boat was shipped into Cleveland, and we picked it up at the port of Cleveland, put it together, and brought it back here. And it did get into some rough water over in Huron. And it's got a very high-tech, unique design to the hull, which was a combination of Nuvolari Leonard, the Italian designers that are very renowned for designing Palmer Johnson yachts, and of course the Monte Carlo yachts. And they combine that with some French naval architecture, and it's got a very steep entry to it. They call it like an axe blade bow to it, so it really slices through the waves and gives you a nice smooth ride even if it's rough.
Very distinct boat from some of the other boats that are out there. Price-wise, comparable to some of the other models around the same size, higher, lower? Where you guys at?
I think it's going to be lower is what you're going to see, because Beneteau is the biggest builder in the world. They've got the greatest purchasing power. They're the biggest buyer of Volvo diesel in the world. And they use their economies of scale to keep the cost down. So I mean, this whole package, the way it's laid out, is right around $1 million.
Wow, so you got the best of the best along with a phenomenal price point as well.
Right, correct.
3 locations, all on Lake Michigan.
Yes.
And if we're not fortunate, Craig, to be able to make it down to the In-Water Boat Show, where am I going to go online to find out more information about what you guys do and some more info about the boat?
Go to Beneteau. You can just Google Beneteau Powerboats, Beneteau USA, or Monte Carlo Yachts. And you get more information. Or our website is CenterpointYachtSales.com.
CenterpointYachtSales.com.
Correct.
Perfect. Craig, thank you so much, my man.
Thanks, Eric.
I greatly appreciate it. Okay, guys, come on down to the Chicago Boat Show or go to CenterpointYachtSales.com. Find out more information about the Monte Carlos and some of the other services that they have over at Centerpoint Yacht Services. Thanks so much for your time, and we'll see you out on the water.